In this video, we are going to be working on test problems from chapter 4. And here you can see the example. We will work on problems from 1 through 5. I have my phone and the problems over here. Now the problem it's saying is, determine which ordered pair is the solution of the system of equations. They have given us two equations and 2 points. Let's copy them on the this sheet of paper. So the 2 points are 3, -1, 1, and 2. So let's begin. So we will start with the equation 3x plus 2y equals to 7. Okay, and the second equation is 2x minus y equals to 0. Let's take the first point and see if it satisfies both the equations. So we are going to take 3, -1, plug these values in this equation and see if it works. So it is 3 times 3 plus 2 times -1 equals to what? So it is going to be 9 minus 2, which is 7. So you can see that this point satisfies the first equation, which is equals to, so this is good. Now let's take the same point and put it in the second equation. See if we get the answer as 0. So it is going to be 2 times 3 minus of -1, which gives us 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. But we should have got 0. So this does not work. So this point fails the system of equations. Now we are going to take the second point, 1, 2, and we are going to do the same thing for both the equations and see if it satisfies. 3x plus 2y equals to 7. Plug this value in this equation, which will give us 3 times 1 plus 2 times 2, which is 3 times 1 is 3 plus 4, which is 7. We do get 7. So this works. Let's try the next equation. 2x minus y equals to 0 is the equation. Plugging the values, 2 times 1 minus 2 equals 2 minus 2, which is 0, which is same as what we wanted, 0. So this is the right answer. So basically, point 1, 2 satisfies both the system of equations, this and this. Okay, going over to the next problem here. This is a graph. Now we need to find, what are they asking us? Number 2, they're asking us graph of the two equations are shown. Use the intersection of the graphs method and identify the solution to both the equations, and then check your answer. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in. If I try to copy it, it may not come as accurate. So basically, if you're looking at this graph, we can see that the point of intersection is over here, which is -2 and -1. Okay, so the point of intersection is, I'm going to get rid of this page. So point of intersection is -2 and -1. Okay, and the two equations, the blue line is 2x plus y equals to -5. So in order to find out if this answer satisfies this equation, we would do what we did in the previous problem. We'll take this value, plug it in the equation, and see if we get -5. If we get -5, that means it is a solution to the problem. So it will give 2 times -2 plus -1 gives us -4 minus 1, which is -5. Yes, we get the answer that we were looking for. This was the blue line. Now let's go back and see the red line. The red line is x plus 4y equals to 6. X plus 4y equals to -6. Sorry. So we are going to take the same point, -2, -1, plug it into this equation, which gives us -2 plus 4 times -1, which is -2 minus plus minus gives us -4, and both of them are the same sign, so I'm going to add both of them, put the sign, which is going to be -6, and look, -6, -6, we get the answer. So basically the solution to the problem -2, -1 is an answer, and it satisfies both the equations. So this was our number 2. Time-wise, we're doing okay with the time. Let's go and do number 3. Number 3, here. Look at the problem. They have given us a table, and they have two equations. Y equals to 2x. Let's write down the equation. Y equals to 2x. And the other equation is y equals to 3x plus 1. Y equals to 3x plus 1. And what on the top, they have given you the different values of x. What are they asking us to do? Let's read the problem. The table of two equations is given. Identify the solution to both the equations. So basically what they have given you these two problems, and for different values of x, they have given you these values. So there are two ways you can do it. You can graph it and see